Hiya, welcome to Django code series. In the last video, we have created our very first project in the Django. In this video, we are going to create our very first application in the Django. Okay, we'll be following the series of steps in this video. So we are going to understand what is the difference between the project and app in the Django. And next step is we are going to create an app in the Django. And third one is we are going to explore what are the default files will be there in the Django app. So without wasting further time, let's dive into the video. Let's understand the difference between the project and app. So in the last video, we have created the project in Django. Now we are saying that we are going to create an app in the Django. So what exactly the difference between this project and app? Okay, so project is like a complete website. Okay, and every website is having its own different features, like contact us page will be there, and document section will be there, gallery section will be there, and even if you take an example of YouTube, there is a page of playlist page will be there, channel page will be there, and contact us page will be there, your subscription page will be there. These all are the different features, right? So every feature in Django will be treated as an app. Okay, all these apps coming under the umbrella of the project. So if you take that YouTube as a Django project, channel page is one app, and your subscription is one app, and your home page is one app. So all these are different apps in the YouTube project. So that's the difference between the project and app in Django. So now it's time to create an app in the Django. Okay, for that one, first we are going to activate the terminal. Okay, so by default that our virtual environment is activated. Now we have to be there in the root folder where this main.py file is there. Okay, now we have to create the app. Python main.py start app and name of the app. Going to create Kota app. If you see here, the only difference between creating a project and app is here we have to use the app in place of project. For the project, it will be start project, and for the app, it will be just like start app. So here I'm going to create a app called Kota app, and I'm just pressing enter. If you see here, you could be able to see a new folder which with the application folder, which is Kota app with the name of the app which we have given here. Okay, now let's explore this app folder. Okay, there is a subfolder is there which is migration, which will be used when we are doing the database connectivities. Okay, and the next one is init file, which is an empty file which serves the same purpose as the init file in the project folder. It tells the Python that this is a Python package folder. Okay, and next one we have the admin file where we are going to perform the admin activities. Okay, there would be an admin panel will be there in the Django framework. So for that one we are going to use this admin file. And next one is the apps file which will be having the basic configuration of the app. Okay, and next one is the models.py. So this, as I said earlier, the Django framework works in the MVT architecture, model, view, template. So models in the sense where the database connectivities will be happening, like CRUD operations like creating, updating, reading and deleting. So all those database connectivities will happen in the models.py file. And views.py, as I said earlier, this every website will be having the different URLs like home page, contact us page, and download section, documentation section. All these of URLs will be there, right? So all those URL configurations will happen in the this views.py folder. Okay, so these are the basic files which will be there in the Django app. So this is how you guys can create the apps in the Django framework. Okay, so once you created an app, so we have to link this app to this project. Okay, so Kota app is there, right? So we have to link it to this Kota project. Okay, for that one we have to go to the settings.py file in the project folder. Okay, we have to go to the settings file in the Kota project folder, and this is the file which I have explained in the previous video. This is the file which will be used to make the settings for this entire project. And here are the installed apps. So these are the default apps which comes with the Django framework. So as we have created a new app called Kota app, so we have to add that app here. Okay, here Kota app. So with this one we have added the Kota app to the Kota project. So in this video we have created a new app called Kota app in the Django framework, and we have explored what are the files are there in the app. Okay, and we have linked that Kota app to the Kota project. And in the coming video we are going to explain the what is meant by the MVT architecture. model view template architecture in Django, which is one of the important one. So please stay tuned to our channel for more videos on the Django.